Hey, my loves. Welcome back to That Girl Supremacy. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we are all about glowing, growing, and stepping into our power. Today, we're talking about a skill that can change your entire life: how to make people instantly like and respect you. Whether it's social situations, work, or relationships, the way you carry yourself determines how people treat you. If you want to be that person who walks into a room and naturally attracts good energy, this video is for you. Let's dive in. 1. Speak with warmth and certainty. The way you talk can either draw people in or push them away. People instantly respect those who speak with clarity, warmth, and certainty. Instead of mumbling, rushing, or using too many filler words, like, speak slowly and with purpose. Keep your tone friendly but confident. People naturally gravitate toward those who sound self-assured yet approachable. One trick: when you greet someone, say their name with a smile. Instead of a quick, "Hey," say, "Hey, Emily, it's so good to see you." This small effort makes people feel important and instantly deepens your connection. 2. Master the art of calm and composed reactions. Nothing is more attractive than someone who stays cool under pressure. If you overreact, get defensive, or easily take offense, people will find you exhausting. Instead, train yourself to pause before responding. When someone says something rude or annoying, smile, take a deep breath, and choose your reaction wisely. Responding with grace instead of aggression shows emotional intelligence, which instantly earns respect. People are drawn to those who have a calming, controlled energy, someone who makes them feel safe and stable. 3. Be confident but mysterious. Confidence is magnetic, but mystery makes people intrigued by you. You don't need to spill everything about yourself at once. Leave a little room for curiosity. Speak with purpose instead of oversharing. When people ask personal questions, answer just enough, but not everything. Instead of saying, "I had the worst day ever, let me tell you all about it," say, "It was a long day, but I'm focusing on the good parts." This keeps your energy high and makes people wonder about you. People respect what they can't fully figure out. 4. Set boundaries without over-explaining. People respect those who have clear, unapologetic boundaries. If someone asks you to do something you don't want to do, you don't owe them an essay. A simple, "I won't be able to make it, but I appreciate the invite," is enough. Avoid justifying your decisions too much. It makes you seem unsure of yourself. When you're direct but still warm and kind, people will naturally admire you. The ability to say no with grace is a superpower. 5. Carry yourself like you belong everywhere you go. The way you move, sit, and stand affects how people perceive you. Confident people don't shrink themselves. Walk with your shoulders back, make purposeful movements, and avoid fidgeting. When you enter a room, act like you belong there, because you do. People are naturally drawn to those who carry themselves with certainty. If you feel a little nervous, try this trick. Walk into every room as if you're meeting an old friend. This instantly shifts your energy from anxious to relaxed and approachable. Be the energy you want to attract. People mirror the energy they receive. If you want to be liked and respected, embody the qualities you admire in others. If you appreciate kindness, be kind first. If you value deep conversations, ask meaningful questions. If you want to be surrounded by high-energy, positive people, be that person yourself. The energy you give off sets the tone for how others treat you. Be the person who walks into a room and instantly makes it feel lighter. 7. Don't try too hard to be liked. The more you chase approval, the more people lose respect for you. The key to being effortlessly likable is to be secure in yourself first. Instead of thinking, "Do they like me?" shift your mindset to, "Do I like them?" This subtle change in attitude makes you come across as self-assured instead of desperate for validation. People are drawn to those who don't need constant reassurance to feel valuable. At the end of the day, being likable and respected is about confidence, emotional intelligence, and authenticity. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel safe, valued, and inspired. The more you respect yourself, the more others will do the same. Which of these habits are you working on? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.